Namaskar. Water is life, Jeevan. We all know that. But did you know that a right type of infused water can actually help in weight loss? Such detox water flushes out toxins and keeps your metabolism active. Instead of drinking plain water, you can add herbs to turn into a healing drink. So today I'll be sharing 5 powerful herbal water recipes that you can easily prepare at home. Let's start with an Ayurvedic combination, Tulsi and cinnamon. Tulsi reduces stress-related weight gain, while cinnamon balances blood sugar and burns fat. Take 6 to 7 tulsi leaves and a small cinnamon stick. Add them to 1 liter of warm water and let it steep for 15 minutes. Then strain it and squeeze half a lemon into it. Now this water you can drink it warm or cool. This drink is perfect in the morning or before meals to curb sugar craving. Second, something cooling and soothing. Mint and fennel water. This works wonders after meals. Fennel seeds improve digestion and reduce bloating, while mint calms your stomach. Slightly crush 1 tablespoon of fennel seed and add them to 1 liter of water. Add 10 fresh mint leaves and let it infuse overnight. Strain and sip throughout the day. Add half a teaspoon of honey if you prefer mild sweetness. This is especially good for those who experience heaviness after eating or struggle with indigestion. Third, let's take something for gut health, which is important for weight loss. Coriander and cumin seeds have been used since ancient times in our Indian kitchen to reduce bloating and indigestion. Soak 1 teaspoon of coriander seed and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed in 1 liter of warm water overnight. In the morning, strain and drink with empty stomach. This drink is ideal for people who experience acidity, slow digestion, or excess belly fat. Now, if you are looking for something that keeps you full while also speeding up metabolism, try this 4th recipe, that is ginger, lemon and chia water. Ginger fights inflammation. Chia seeds expand in water, keeping hunger away, and lemon aids digestion. Soak 1 teaspoon of chia seed in 1 liter of water for 15 minutes. Add 1 inch sliced fresh ginger and half lemon juice. Let it infuse for another 15 minutes and then drink. This drink is great before meals to avoid overeating. And the 5th recipe, let's talk about a modern combination, hibiscus and rose water. Hibiscus helps with fat metabolism and reduces bloating, while rose petals calm the body and improve digestion. Steep 2 dried hibiscus flower or 1 hibiscus tea bag and 1 teaspoon of dried rose petals in 1 liter of warm water for 10 minutes. Strain and chill before drinking. This drink is especially good in the evening or before bedtime as it relaxes your mind while detoxifying your body. Along with herbal water, a healthy, holistic lifestyle is also needed if you are trying to lose weight. So, here are some tips. Try to keep your last meals 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Late night eating slows the digestion. Always chew your food well. Digestion begins in the mouth, and mindful eating prevents overeating. Just move your body daily. A simple 15 minutes walk after meals improves metabolism. I encourage you to try these recipes and observe how your body feels. Let your water work for you. Let good health flow into your life. Namaskar.